I got Blue Shield health insurance, and then they kept raising it every 6 months, and now it's more frequent and faster. Now it's gone up for us 73% in the last year.
Our deductible was $10,000, so we're starting to reconsider our choice to have Blue Shield. What we may do is just cover our son and decide to just throw our chances to the wind and pay out of pocket as necessary for my husband and myself.
There ain't no power like the power of the nurses, because the power of the nurses don't stop.
Blue Shield is about to raise rates in 60 days if we don't stop them by 59%, which makes it a poster child for the worst insurance companies in America, and yet we don't know how much the CEO of Blue Shield makes.
We're here today because we're at the scene of where corporate crime is taking place. The death panels sit upstairs denying patients the care that they need. This decision, this 59% rate increase, is going to ultimately result in heartbreak, misery, death, pain, and suffering.
There's a lot of people with pre-existing conditions who need care, who need their coverage, and they can't step away from that. So I'm speaking on behalf of all those people.
Thank you.
Companies like Blue Shield, all the rest of them, they've taken healthcare, which is a human right and which was developed by humanity, and they've taken it like leeches to suck the lifeblood out of it.
I'm in town from Philadelphia, and let me tell you, this is not a problem that is only happening in California. People are being devastated across the country.
How many of you have ever had care denied by an insurance company? I see a lot of hands go up. How many of those insurance companies have a license to practice medicine?
None. It is the national priority, and it is the position of the national labor movement to get to single payer and universal health care.
Blue Shield supports Obamacare and then cynically turned around and made a mockery out of democracy and was going to raise their rates 59%. And if it wasn't for this protest here today, they would have raised those rates. So we got 60 more days. We're going to stop them, or we're going to run them out of California.